And 3, 2, 1, action. Quake? Does this guy ever talk?
No, not really.
Oh.
Cut. What's up everyone? Quake here from RedWolf TV. So it's that time of the year again where we have a site-wide promotion. We have hand-selected a bunch of items that are up to 80% off. And there's some really cool items that it's also on discount. For example, right here, we have the RWA Special Edition Warhawk. Not this model, but the Special Edition is up to 15% off. What's also really cool is this Ares SOC ARAEG for all you bullpup fans out there. And to put cherry on top, even the RWA 1919 is on huge discount. So don't miss out. Go to our online store at www.redwolfairsoft.com. See you guys in the next episode of RedWolf TV.
Cut.
Dude, seriously, can you do your job?